right, that's it. You have a good night.
This is to the family department. Cheers. Cheers.
So this is the family department. Okay.
Divorces.
Divorces.
Protective orders. Child support.
Hip hip hooray. All the fun stuff. Watching you.
Real weird.
Watching you. I'm a creep watching you.
And the quinceañera's like.
Watching you.
I know when you're eating the quinceañera.
Watching you. Everybody. Go ahead, get it.
Hey, how are y'all doing? My name is Rick Gonzalez, one of the managing partners of the Gonzalez Law Group, along with my son Marco Gonzalez. Here we are on our boat, and we during the holidays we decided to bring the boat to Kima and invite every member of our law group to come out for a ride. Today we have our guests are the family law department of the Gonzalez Law Group, and they seem to be having a wonderful time. Marco is not feeling well today, otherwise he would be here. He was here yesterday and the day before yesterday. The first day that we came out here was the personal injury department and their staff. The second day, which was yesterday, was the business law department and their staff, and today is our family law department. On Monday, I'll be here again because the criminal defense department is coming for the boat ride. But everybody seems to be loving it, having a great time, and that's just one of the special things that we do for our members of our team, and just in appreciation for all the hard work they do for us, but especially all the hard work they do for our clients.